Thunderstorm watch number 631 remains in effect until 11 o'clock p.m. and now includes the following: Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland; Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland; Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland; and Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert to rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather